Creating a content calendar can be difficult or stressful, especially if you don't know how to do it or go about it. So, in this video, I'll be showing you how to create a content calendar from scratch in 5 minutes using ChatGPT. So, I'll just open ChatGPT, then we'll put in our prompt. We'll first search for the pain points of our target audience. So, I'll say I am a content writer, ghostwriter, and book editor. Help me provide provide 30 pain points of people that need my services. My target audience are writers, authors, busy professionals, and individuals who are too busy to write their books, and brand owners who wish to increase their visibility, or should I say online visibility, and build their brand awareness using compelling content. So this is my prompt. If you're a content writer, you can as well use this. So whatever thing you do, whether you're a graphic designer or a fashion designer, you can just input your own occupation inside this thing. So we first have to look for the pain points, because if we don't know the pain points, there is no way we know how best to create our content calendar, because you can't solve a problem you don't know. So give it a little time to provide the answers to our question, or rather to our prompts. So let's give it a little time. There is no network. Oh my goodness, my data was not turned on. I'm sorry. I'll just paste this again. Okay, so it's providing it already. You can say writer's block, time constraints, and the rest. Okay. So at this point, if you've not subscribed, please do well to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and turn on the notification bell. So these are the pain points. Then we'll have to use these pain points to generate content ideas. Now type using these pain points, generate or provide 40 content ideas slash topics I can use to create my social media content. Ensure that you provide topics that are searchable and can be of help to my target audience. So wait for it to generate the content ideas we are to use. But that why we first searched for pain points is to use those pain points to generate the content ideas, because those pain points will give us an idea of what our audience needs. So here are the 40 content ideas we've been looking for. So here you can see the first one. Where is it? The first one here says overcoming writer's block, tips and techniques to get your writing flowing again. So you don't have to use it exactly how ChatGPT has provided it. You can change it to something like tips and techniques to overcome writer's block as a writer. You see? So you also have to use your human intelligence. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and turn on the notification bell. See you in my next video. Bye.